Ford just gave every Bronco buyer a reason to feel like they pulled the trigger too soon because the 2027 model is arriving with a factory-built off-road trim, Raptor-derived hardware, and upgrades that the competition simply cannot match. If you've been sitting on the fence about buying a Bronco and wondering whether now is really the right time, hold off, because what's coming in 2027 is worth the wait. Most people assume a new model year means a fresh color and a slightly updated screen, but the 2027 Bronco is getting a purpose-built RTR trim developed with a professional off-road racer, rolling straight off the factory floor with trail technology that was previously exclusive to the Raptor, at a price that's nearly $25,000 lower. Here are 6 reasons you should wait for the 2027 Ford Bronco. Number 6. New RTR look. Think about the last time an automaker brought a legitimate factory-built off-road collaboration straight to the showroom floor. That's exactly what Ford is pulling off with the 2027 lineup, and the centerpiece is the all-new RTR trim, a Bronco developed in partnership with off-road racer Vaughn Gittin Jr. For years, RTR builds were assembled at an upfitter facility and sold as pre-titled vehicles. Starting in 2027, they're rolling directly out of Ford's Michigan assembly plant, bringing lower pricing and significantly higher production volumes. It's sitting at the top of the standard Bronco hierarchy, positioned between the Badlands and the full Raptor. RTR's signature Hyperlime accents run across the hood graphics, rock rings, and wheels with 4 appearance options available so buyers can dial back the lime, or leave it fully loaded and let the truck speak for itself. The RTR is also wearing heritage fenders, straighter and more angular than the rounded fenders on other trims, giving it a sharper, more purposeful stance. Add the RTR-specific 17-inch beadlock-capable Evo 6 wheels, a unique front grille, and hood graphics drawn from a topographic map of Johnson Valley, the 96,000-acre off-road testing ground where RTR validated this truck, and you've got a factory vehicle that's genuinely communicating intent. The RTR looks the part, no question, but if you think the styling is impressive, wait until you hear what Ford has done under the skin, because the technical upgrades are where this truck gets genuinely serious. Number 5. RTR Technical Upgrades. Running hard through deep sand puts a turbocharged engine in a difficult situation. The moment a driver lifts off the throttle to manage their approach angle, the turbocharger spools down. Boost pressure drops, response disappears, and momentum, the one thing you can't afford to lose on loose terrain, is gone at exactly the wrong moment. That's a real-world problem, and it's precisely what the RTR's new technology is built to solve. Ford is equipping the RTR with anti-lag software that keeps the throttle plate open when the driver lifts off, maintaining turbocharger spool at all times, so response is immediate the moment the driver gets back on the gas. No lag, no lost line over changing terrain. The RTR is also gaining a 1,000-watt cooling fan pulled directly from the Bronco Raptor, protecting powertrain temperatures during long, demanding desert runs. The Raptor's beefier steering rack and tie rods are transferring over as well, hardware built to absorb hard hits and lateral loads that come with serious rock crawling. On suspension, the standard RTR is running high-clearance Bilstein shocks alongside 33-inch all-terrain tires, a factory combination that's never appeared on a production Bronco before. The Sasquatch package adds 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory RT tires and the Haas 3.0 suspension system with Fox internal bypass shocks. Previously reserved for the Badlands trim, now available at a lower price point. The RTR is one impressive piece of engineering, but it's only one part of the 2027 story, because the powertrain options running across the entire lineup deserve just as much attention, and that's exactly what we're getting into next. Number 4. Turbocharged excellence. Every engine in the 2027 Bronco family is turbocharged. No naturally aspirated options anywhere in the range. That means stronger response at elevation, broader power delivery, and real-world torque when the terrain demands it. The base 2.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder is producing 300 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, covering 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds. Step up, and the twin turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 delivers 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet, dropping that sprint to 6.2 seconds. Those numbers make the Bronco genuinely fast by any reasonable standard. Here's what's getting overlooked in an era where the manual gearbox is becoming an endangered species. There are plenty of buyers who don't want a computer making every shift decision for them. They want to feel the connection between engine and road, especially on technical terrain where throttle control matters as much as horsepower. The 2027 Bronco is still offering a 7-speed manual, paired with the 4-cylinder across several trims. In a segment where the 3-pedal setup has essentially disappeared, Ford is holding on to it. And that matters to the kind of buyer who wants to drive the truck rather than just operate it. 3 turbocharged engines and a manual that rivals have abandoned. That's already a strong case. But none of it matters if the Bronco can't back up its trail reputation with real capability, so let's talk about what this truck does when the pavement ends and what happens when it returns. Number 3. Off-road excellence, on-road competence. Most dedicated off-roaders come with a built-in penalty. The more capable they are on the trail, the harder they are to live with daily. Constant steering corrections, a wandering front end, road noise that makes conversation impossible. These are the trade-offs buyers typically accept when they choose a vehicle built for serious terrain. The 2027 Bronco is working to close that gap. On the trail, it's arriving fully equipped: electronic locking front and rear differentials, an anti-roll bar disconnect to extend wheel travel, and optional 35-inch mud terrain tires. This is a serious off-road machine by every meaningful measure. But the reason it also works as a daily driver comes down to one key decision: independent front suspension. The Jeep Wrangler runs a solid front axle at both ends, maximizing articulation on extreme terrain but transmitting every surface irregularity directly into the steering wheel and demanding constant corrections on the highway. The Bronco's independent front setup absorbs those inputs before they reach the driver. The twin-turbo V6 is clocking 0 to 60 times of 6.2 seconds, leaving the Wrangler well behind with better cornering stability and a front end that tracks straight at speed. The 2027 Bronco is the only true off-roader that doesn't punish you for driving home. That's the case for the standard lineup. But if you think these numbers are impressive, the Raptor is playing an entirely different game, and it makes everything else feel mild by comparison. Number 2. Raptor. Everything in the standard lineup represents serious capability, but the Bronco Raptor is operating in a completely different category. Under the hood, a twin-turbocharged V6 is producing 418 horsepower, nearly 90 more than the standard twin-turbo Bronco, and reaching 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. For an SUV wearing massive off-road tires and carrying full trail-ready hardware, that number is genuinely extraordinary. The Haas 3.0 suspension system with Fox internal bypass shocks absorbs high-speed trail impacts that would bottom out a standard setup entirely. The wide-track stance keeps the truck planted over whoops and drops that would unsettle lighter competitors. The Jeep Wrangler 392 is the closest rival, but the gap in suspension engineering and outright power is substantial. For buyers who want maximum performance with full factory warranty coverage, the Raptor remains the benchmark, and the 2027 model is carrying that forward without compromise. The Raptor is remarkable, but it carries a price to match. What's genuinely surprising about the 2027 lineup is how the rest of the range is priced, and that's the most compelling argument of all. Number 1. Competitive price. The base Bronco is arriving at around $43,000, a four-wheel drive turbocharged off-road machine at a price point that most comparable vehicles can't touch. The Black Diamond comes in at approximately $48,000, the Badlands at around $52,000, adding locking differentials and serious suspension upgrades. The new RTR is about to start at approximately $57,000, and that number deserves careful consideration. That price is buying Raptor-derived cooling hardware, reinforced steering components, anti-lag turbo technology, and the highest suspension performance in the standard lineup, sitting roughly $25,000 below the Raptor itself. For buyers who need serious capability without the full Raptor price, the RTR is filling that space in a way no previous Bronco trim has managed. At the top, the Raptor holds at approximately $82,000, a reasonable ask for a purpose-built machine with no direct competitor. From a $43,000 base to an $82,000 Raptor, the 2027 Ford Bronco is covering more ground at more price points with more genuine capability than any version of this truck before it. The question isn't whether it's worth waiting for. The question is which one you're going to order. When you look at everything the 2027 Bronco is bringing to the table, the case for waiting becomes hard to argue against. A factory-built RTR with Raptor-derived hardware, anti-lag technology, reinforced steering, and upgraded suspension, all straight from the assembly line, not an aftermarket catalog. A fully turbocharged engine lineup that still makes room for a 7-speed manual and an independent front suspension that keeps the truck genuinely livable on the highway day after day. That's a vehicle with very few weak spots. So, if a 2026 Bronco is sitting on your local dealer's lot and the temptation is real, take a breath. A few more months of patience could get you a much better truck for nearly the same money. But also, make sure to check out our video about the key updates on the 2026 Wrangler, which you can now see on the screen. It could easily turn out that Jeep's legend is actually your natural choice.